Everyone thinks the best-selling Bluetooth car speaker is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Nulaxi Bluetooth Car Adapter. Let's kick things off with the Nulaxi 54W Bluetooth 5.3 Car Adapter Charger. For just $12.98, it caught my eye because it combines fast charging with hands-free calling. If you want a budget-friendly way to stay connected while charging multiple devices, this is worth a serious look. The Nulaxi adapter boasts 54W of high-power fast charging, which means you can charge up to 4 devices at once without worrying about battery anxiety. It uses Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a quick and stable connection for your music and calls. If you're someone who needs their phone connected for navigation or streaming, the improved sound quality here is a big plus. Plus, it offers deep bass for your tunes and colorful lighting that makes it easy to use at night. Now, some users have mentioned that they had trouble with fitting the adapter in certain car cigarette lighter sockets. Here's the thing though, if you check the dimensions first, it should fit most standard sockets just fine, so it's not a deal breaker in my opinion. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and want multiple charging options in your car. Skip this one if you're looking for a standalone speaker experience. For the price, it offers solid value with great features. Now, if the Nulaxi's charging capabilities caught your attention, the next product is all about sound quality.
Product number 2, Sony SRS XB100 speaker. The Sony SRS XB100 wireless Bluetooth speaker. This portable speaker is priced around NAA, but it's gained popularity for its impressive sound in a compact form. If you want powerful sound on the go, you should definitely consider this one. This speaker has a deep bass response that really stands out thanks to its improved driver. It's also waterproof and dustproof with an IP67 rating, so whether you're up the beach or in the shower, you won't have to worry about damaging it. The 16-hour battery life means you can enjoy your favorite tracks without needing to recharge constantly. It's perfect for outdoor outings or even just lounging at home. However, some users have reported that the sound quality can be a bit lacking in certain frequencies at higher volumes. I'll be real with you, if you're an audiophile, this may not meet your high standards, but for casual listeners, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a portable option that sounds great and can withstand the elements. Skip this one if you need something for a large outdoor party where high volume is needed. The value here is impressive for a speaker of its size. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a loud party atmosphere. Product number 3, W King Bluetooth speaker. Let's talk about the W King Bluetooth speaker. Retailing at $72.99, this beast can pump out a whopping 90-watt max sound output. If you're looking to host outdoor parties or need something with serious volume, this one is definitely worth your attention. With dual subwoofers and a total of 90-watt peak power, the sound is incredibly rich and powerful. It delivers punchy bass and clear highs, which is essential for any outdoor gathering. Plus, the IPX6 waterproof rating means you can take it to the pool or beach without a second thought. The 40-hour playback time is fantastic for long events, and it even acts as a power bank for your devices. However, some users mention that the size can be a bit cumbersome to carry around. Here's the thing, this speaker is designed for powerful sound, so if you want portability, you might have to compromise a bit. But for the sound quality you get, I think it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties and need a speaker that can fill a space with sound. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to carry. At this price, you're definitely getting a powerhouse. Now, if you're after something more versatile for your car, the next product offers a unique combination of features. Product number 4, AGP Tech Bluetooth speaker. We have the AGP Tech Bluetooth speaker, which is priced at $21.99. What stood out to me is its hands-free functionality, designed specifically for car use. If you want a safe way to take calls and listen to music while driving, this one's definitely worth considering. The built-in 3W microphone offers excellent noise reduction, ensuring that your calls are clear no matter the environment. It's a simple device that clips onto your car's sun visor, making it easy to access. With Bluetooth 5.3, it connects quickly and supports voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, making it safer to manage your calls on the go. However, I found that some users complained about the battery life being less than expected, especially after a few months of use. Honestly, if you're constantly on calls, it might require more frequent charging than you'd like.
but for casual use, it's still a great budget option. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, hands-free calling solution while driving. Skip this one if you need a high-end audio experience, but for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if you want something that combines a speaker with a transmitter, let's check out the next option.
Product number 5, Avantri Road Trip, which comes in at $64.99. This 2-in-1 speaker and FM transmitter caught my eye for its versatility. If you want a device that can stream phone audio directly to your car stereo while also functioning as a speaker, you should definitely check this out. The Road Trip features dual 3-watt speakers that deliver clear audio, whether you're on calls or streaming music. One of its coolest features is the automatic power off when you leave the car, which is super convenient. Plus, it reconnects automatically when you return, making it hassle-free. However, some users have pointed out that the sound volume may not be loud enough for larger vehicles. Here's the thing. If you're in a smaller car, it should work just fine, but if you need something that can fill a larger space, this may be a limitation. This is perfect for you if you want a dual-function device that enhances your driving experience. Skip this one if you drive a big vehicle and need a louder sound. It's reasonably priced for the features it offers.
So there you have it, my top 5 Bluetooth car speakers. Whether you need something for hands-free calling, epic party sound, or an all-in-one solution, there's something for everyone. Just remember to think about your specific needs and preferences when making your choice.